Freedom should not be something we have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day.
Esteemed principal, prestigious guests, benevolent teachers, and dear school fellows. Today we all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India.
So, I'm Master Aryan and Miss Wafa from Care of Our Hearts. Welcome you all to today's function on behalf of the entire MDET Future School Roha.
We feel honored to have with us our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sandeep Tatkare, the Director of MDN Future School Roha. He is working towards overall development of every student to strive towards success and achievement. I would also like to welcome our respected Principal Madam, Miss Anjula Ratan. She is known for her wonderful administration and high achievement of the institution. We also have with us our administrative head, Mr. Devendra Chandgaonkar. He is always been the motivator for everyone.
Now we will have our traditional auspicious flag waving ceremony followed by national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I would request our Honorable Chief Guest to address the school.
Good morning everyone. At the onset I wish all the students, the parents and all the teachers a very happy Independence Day. So this is the second year that we are celebrating Independence Day without the students in the school, and it feels very different that all of you are not here with us to celebrate, because every year it's a very joyous occasion and we have a different atmosphere over here altogether when the students are here. It brings so much joy when we see all of you here. So now I think since many of the classes have started, we just hope that all the students will be back to the school soon and we everyone again enjoy all these little events, all these big events where all of you come together. So that is what the message of Independence Day is, that we all come together, we celebrate all this struggle and all the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. And I know all of you are doing good. I see all your assemblies, I see all is what is going on. So I'm very happy that even though you are not coming to school, yet all of you are doing good. And I again wish you all a happy Independence Day. And as I said before, I wish that next year, or at least even in this Republic Day, on the coming year, 26 January, we all are here together and we celebrate an Independence Day. This Independence Day, I'll give you one message, that we are celebrating an Olympic gold medal this year. So I wish all the students that to take inspiration from all the medalists, not just the gold medalists, all the gold, silver, the bronze, all the medalists, and everyone who has been doing good in sports, take up the sport very well and make sure that they reach good heights and reach good levels where they can also represent their state, their district, their country and bring glory to all of them. So I again wish all the students a very happy Independence Day. Everyone stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable note.
We feel proud to be an Indian. With this pride, let us raise ourselves for pledge. To deliver pledge, I would like to call Master Vihan.
Jai Bharat. Today I am going to deliver the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its each and every heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vihan.
Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. A famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, now it is time to remind us some of the moments of the 1947 and before. It was revealed as the era of struggle and sacrifices of all the people of the subcontinent.
9th August, when India came into being after many efforts and countless sacrifices. To highlight some of those moments of sacrifices, we would like to call Master Dev, Miss Soumya, Miss Harshada and Miss Swamini.
Jai Bharat, myself Harshada Shirke. Today I am going to talk about Bipin Chandra Pal. Bipin Chandra Pal was born in 1858, was a sustainable part of Indian National Congress. He is an unforgettable revolutionary. He encouraged the abandonment of foreign goods. He formed an association with Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak trio, and together he executed many revolutionary activities for country. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born in 1904 in UP. He received the title Shastri Scholar after he completed his study at Kashi Vidyapith. As a silent yet active freedom fighter, he participated in Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement, and salt satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. He also spent many years in jail after independence. He graced the position of Home Minister and later became Prime Minister of India in 1964. Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was born in 1865 and was informally called Punjab Kesari. A part of Lal Bal Pal trio, he was one of the extremist members of Indian National Congress. In 1920, he became popular leader as he led the non-cooperational movement and Punjab protest against the Jallianwala Bagh incident. In Simon Commission protest in 1928, he died from brutal lathi charge.
Jai Bharat, my name is Swamini Savan from grade 6 and today I am going to say a few lines about Vinayak Damodar Savarkar and Ram Prasad Bismil. V.D. Savarkar was born in 1883 and spent his life being a prominent activist and Indian revolutionary. He founded Abhinav Bharat Society and Free Indian Society. He was known as Swatantra Veer Savarkar. As a writer, he wrote a piece titled The India War of Independence that included glorious details about the struggle of the Indian uprising of 1857. Ram Prasad Bismil. Like Shahid Bhagat Singh, Ram Prasad Bismil was also a memorable young revolutionary who majored for his country. Born in 1897, Bismil was one of the respectable members of the Hindustan Republican Society with Sukhdev. He was also involved in the notorious Tagore train robbery because of the British government sentenced him to death. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hafiz Muhammad Baraktullah. Abdul Hafiz Muhammad Baraktullah was born in 1854 and has uniquely fought for the nation's freedom. He was a co-founder of Gadar Party that was operated from overseas San Francisco. Being an overseas revolutionary, he took pen as his fighting weapon and published blazing articles in England, leading daily to incite the fire of independence. Aruna Asaf Ali. Aruna was an active member of the Congress Party. She had participated in public marches during the Salt Satyagraha. She edited in Ulas, a month-by journal of the Indian National Congress Party. She is known as the Grand Old Lady of the Independence Movement. Thank you and have a nice day.
Indeed, freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Rajguru, Balpal Lal, Rani Lakshmi Bai and millions of others who gave their life for this nation. We will always remember them.
We Indians are celebrating 75th Independence Day. Yes, do you know what's new about this celebration? Let us hear it from Master Vijit.
Jai Bharat everyone.
India is going to launch year-long celebration from August 2021 to commemorate 75th years of independence with a slew of programs and projects to showcase development, governance, technology, reform progress and policy over the years. The Prime Minister Office has initiated an exhaustive exercise to frame a plan to commemorate the 75th year of Indian independence. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is ready to announce the year-long grand celebration. All central ministries and departments have been asked to identify 10 projects that would be implemented to showcase India's development, governance, technology, reform, progress and policy. PM Narendra Modi urged all citizens to take part in the event being held across the nation as part of the Amrit Mahotsav, which is being celebrated to mark the 75th Independence Day of India on 15th August 2021. The 75th Independence Day should be an inspiration for us. Our mantra should be India's first. It should be the basis of all our decisions. Amrit Mahotsav being celebrated as a people's movement by the Government of India will be managed by a National Implementation Committee which will be headed by Union Home Ministers. As part of the celebration, India will remember its freedom fighters and rekindle the history related to them. PM said, Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav means the escape of the energy of freedom. It means the nectar of inspiration from the freedom fighter, the nectar of new ideas, the nectar of new resolution, and the nectar of self-reliance. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Vijit.
All the world is a stage. For the blink of an eye, let us also create this stage for drama, performance, and the world of dreams. So put your hands together for Master Prajwal.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. यहाँ वहाँ सारे जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। ऐसी नहीं साध न दुनिया गुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जहाँ देखूँ वहाँ मैं तेरे हूँ, दीवाने में घूमूं नाचूं गाऊं तेरा प्यार का तारा मैं। चंदा नहीं सूरज नहीं दुनिया की दौलत नहीं, बस लूटूंगा तेरा प्यार का खजाना। एक नजर जब तेरी होती है प्यार की, दुनिया तब तो मेरी चमके दमके महके रे। तेरा चेहरा सूरज जैसा चांद सी चांद है प्यार में। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Undoubtedly, a soulful performance.
Yes, for sure. On the occasion of Independence Day, let us also honor the memory of all the Indian martyrs. When we stand, the Azad Hind Fauj has to be a way of granite, and when we march, the Azad Hind Fauj has to be like a stream roar. To honor the memories of martyrs who have given their life in the service of the country and helped us to retain freedom. Once again, a happy Independence Day to all. I would like to call Miss Nishtha, Miss Khushi, and Master Shrish.
Jai Bharat, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Khushi Shivaji Gha from grade 4. Captain Vikram Batra was an officer of the Indian Army, awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest and most prestigious award for his action during 1999 Kargil War. He led one of the toughest operations in mountain warfare in Indian history. He was often referred to as Sher Shah in the intercepted messages of the Pakistan Army. Thank you.
Jai Bharat. Myself Sri Vishal Keruskar. I am from grade 5. Colonel Balwant Singh Panghal MVC is a decorated Indian Army officer. With just 4 months of service, when Kargil war broke out, Singh was tasked to lead his Ghatak platoon in an attempt to capture the Tiger Hill in eponymous battle. Before leading his troops, Singh vowed, Tiger Hill पे तिरंगा फहरा के आएंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. For his inspirational leadership and courage for capturing the peak, Singh was awarded Mahavir Chakra by President K.R. Narayanan on Independence Day in 1999. Thank you. Myself, Nishtha Mahendra Bhatikare from grade 5. Captain Nike Sako, Kangaroo Se, MVC was an Indian Army officer of 2 Rajputana Rifles who was posthumously awarded by the Mahavir Chakra, India's second highest gallantry award, for exemplary valor in the combat during the operations in the Kargil War in 1999. At 20th June 1999, at Lone Hill, Dras sector, as a part of Commando Platoon, established foothold for his platoon at 16,000 foot, inspired by the renowned headhunter Perry Hill, who was his great-great-grandfather. He climbed bare feet and once on top, killed 4 infiltrators before being shot. Captain Kangaroo Se is one of the top 15 decorated soldiers and officers of Kargil War. Thank you.
Thank you, dear friends, for sharing such stories of brave sons of proud mothers. That is our motherland, India. Now we have with us Miss Ayushi, who is going to sing the glory of India.
जय भारत. मेरे गीत का शीर्षक है देश की शान. हम नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं, हम भी सरहद जाएंगे, सीने पे गोली खाएंगे, मर जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे, देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे, देश की शान बढ़ाएंगे. जय हिंद.
Thank you for your wonderful song.
Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift of God, which is why we call it is present.
Yes, it's rightly said. So let us concentrate on our present achievements. Our India is a diverse country and we are the great example of unity in diversity. Let us see our achievement in diverse way. We would like to call Miss Chinmay, Miss Ridhisha, Ravi Sir, Miss Sucheta, Miss Roma, Master Utsav Raj and Miss Anya.
भारत दुनिया में प्रौद्योगिकी लेन देन के लिए सबसे आकर्षक निवेश गंतव्यों में तीसरे स्थान पर है. भारत वैज्ञानिक अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में दुनिया के शीर्ष देशों में से एक है, जो अंतरिक्ष अन्वेषण के लिए शीर्ष दायर देशों में से एक है. भारत सार्क देशों के लिए उपग्रहों को लॉन्च करने में अग्रणी भूमिका निभा सकता है. 48वें स्थान पर भारत 35.6 के स्कोर के साथ वैश्विक नवाचार सूचांक 2020 में 50 देशों में शामिल है. धन्यवाद.
जय भारत. मी रोमा देशमुख आणि आज मी स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या निमित्ताने तुम्हा सगळ्यांना खेळाबद्दल काही माहिती देणार आहे. लंडन ऑलिम्पिक्स 1948 मध्ये भारताने हॉकीमध्ये पहिलं ऑलिम्पिक सुवर्ण पदक जिंकले. ऑलिम्पिकमध्ये पुरुष हॉकीमध्ये 8 सुवर्ण पदक जिंकणारा भारत हा एकमेव संघ आहे. भारतीय राष्ट्रीय फुटबॉल संघाने 1951 मध्ये नवी दिल्ली येथे आशियाई खेळामध्ये सुवर्णपदक जिंकून इतिहास रचला. भारताने 2 वेळा क्रिकेट विश्वचषक जिंकला आहे. अभिनव बिंद्राने 2008च्या बीजिंग गेम्समध्ये पुरुषांच्या 10 मीटर एअर रायफल स्पर्धेत सुवर्ण पदक जिंकले. नीरज चोप्राने पुरुष भालाफेकमध्ये सुवर्ण पदक पटकावून टोकियो ऑलिम्पिक्समध्ये इतिहास रचला. भारतीय कुस्तीपटू रविकुमार दहियाने रौप्य पदक मिळवले. भारतीय बॉक्सर लवीना बोर्गोहेन ब्रॉन्झ पदकावर स्थिरावली. पी.व्ही. सिंधू 2 ऑलिम्पिक जिंकणारी पहिली भारतीय मुलगी म्हणून ओळखली जाईल. मीराबाई चानूने रौप्य पदक जिंकलं आणि टोकियो गेम्स 2021 मध्ये ऑलिम्पिक पदक जिंकणारी भारतीय महिला ठरली. वंतिका अगरवालने ह्या वर्षातील राष्ट्रीय महिला ऑनलाईन बुद्धिबळ जिंकला आहे. ऑलिम्पिक गेम्समध्ये 4थे स्थान मिळवणारी आदिती अशोक भारताची महिला गोल्फर आहे. अशा रीतीने भारत हा 44व्या स्थानावर आला आहे. यंदा 1 सुवर्ण पदकासह भारताने पहिल्यांदाच 7 पदकांची कमाई केली आहे. उत्कृष्ट खेळाडूंस देण्यात येणारा राजीव गांधी खेळरत्न पुरस्काराचे नामकरण यंदापासून ध्यानचंद खेळरत्न पुरस्कार म्हणून करण्यात येणार आहे. धन्यवाद.
भारतस्य उपलब्धिः मम नाम चिन्मयी. साहित्य 45 अनेके लेखकाः नवभारतस्य साहित्योत्थानाय स्वस्य सहयोगं प्रदत्तवन्तः. धार्मिकभाषायां लेखने यथा आङ्ग्ले महन्तः बङ्गाली लेखकः रवीन्द्रनाथ टागोर प्रथमभारतीय आसन्, यः नोबेल् पुरस्कारेण सम्मानितः. साहित्याय गीतांजलि 319 वर्षे. धन्यवादः.
जय जिनेंद्र. हमारा नाम रिदिशा विकेश जैन है. मैं कक्षा 9वीं में हूँ. हमारा विषय नाम है अश्विन राजपूत बारे में. मैं आज मारवाड़ी में बोलवाना हूँ. अश्विन राजपूत खूप भावुक तो वन्ना कॉमरा बाळगला आहे. भारत खूप प्रकार कलाकृती वणीवर आहे. जिकण वासन बनावारी कला, कपडामध्ये खूप अलग अलग डिझाईन करवारी कला अजय. अश्विन राजपूत जो पण चीज बनावतो वो वन्ना गॉमरो मुडो दिखिस्तो. वन्नो गॉम खूप मोठो तो. वन्ना खूप सारा नॅशनल आणि इंटरनॅशनल अवॉर्ड मिळवर आहे. जिकन पद्मश्री अवॉर्ड, कालिदास अवॉर्ड, ॲडव्होकेट अवॉर्ड, पॉज बक्षिसरा अवॉर्ड. धन्यवाद. हर दिन शुभ रहे.
हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन HCFC, Act4, Act P, ক্লোরোফ্লোরোকার্বন CFCS এর মতো গ্যাস পৃথিবীর বায়ুমণ্ডল ওজোনের সতর্কে গ্রাস করে থাকে। উল্লিখিত এই দুটি গ্যাস ভারতের ফোম উৎপাদন করি শিল্পে ব্যবহৃত হতো। বর্তমানে ভারত এর বায়ুমণ্ডলের এই পরিবেশ দেখে ভারতের সবকটা কলকারখানায় এই দুটি গ্যাস ব্যবহার করা ক্রমশ অপসারিত করা হচ্ছে। 92% ভারতীয় শিল্পে বর্জন। বাস্তবে ভারতীয় শিল্প এশিয়া মহাদেশের মধ্যে তৃতীয় স্থানে অধিকার নিয়ে ভারত একটা বড় সাফল্য অর্জন করেছে। ধন্যবাদ।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ముందుగా అందరికీ స్వతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షల్ని తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. మన భారతదేశం ప్రపంచానికి సున్నానిచ్చింది. సున్నా ద్వారా బైనరీ కోడ్స్ వచ్చాయి. బైనరీ కోడ్స్ను ఉపయోగించి కంప్యూటర్లోని డేటాను నిశ్శబ్దం చేయబడి జరుగుతుంది. గణితంలోని అనేక విభాగాలైన త్రికోణమితి, అంకగణితం, రేఖాగణితం, జామితీలలో మన భారతీయ గణిత శాస్త్రవేత్తలు అనేక సిద్ధాంతాలు, సూత్రాలు, ప్రశ్నల్ని రూపొందించడం జరిగింది. మొదటగా భూమి గోళాకారంగా ఉందని చెప్పిన వ్యక్తి ఆర్యభట్ట. అలాగే ఇతను మనకు A+B² సూత్రాన్ని అందించడం జరిగింది. ద మ్యాన్ హ్యూ నోస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ అనగానే అందరి మెదడులో వచ్చే మాట శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్. ఇతను భారతదేశం యొక్క గణిత మేధాశక్తి గల వ్యక్తి అని కూడా చెప్పుకుంటారు. అలాగే సిఆర్ రావ్, మహాలోనబీస్, డాక్టర్ క్రపేకర్ అండ్ హరీష్ చంద్ర వీళ్ళందరినీ కూడా మనం భారతీయ గొప్ప గణిత శాస్త్రవేత్తలుగా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. మీరు కూడా భారతదేశాన్ని ఉన్నత శిఖరాలకి చేర్చాలని ఆశిస్తూ నా యొక్క చిన్న ఉపన్యాసాన్ని ముగించుకుంటున్నాను. జై భారత్, జై హింద్.
ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸರೋಜ್ ಬೆಕೋಡ್. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಾಣಿ ಬೇರಿ ಜನನ 19 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 1970 ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯಗಾರ್ತ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ನರತ್ನ ಶಾಲಾ ನೃತ್ಯ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ವಿಜಯನಗರಂ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಭಾರತದ 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಉತ್ಸವಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು ಮತ್ತು 1000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಅವರು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 500 ಮತ್ತು ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದರು ಮತ್ತು 10ನೇ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2018 ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ 40 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಹೊಸ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದರು. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸದ ಅವರು ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮೊದಲ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯಗಾರತಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you friends for showing us the deserved colors of our achievement. I would like to call upon our respected principal Mrs. Anjula Ratan, a seasoned scholar and navigator of Flagship of Knowledge, to share her views.
On behalf of Tatkare Charitable Trust, I wish all of you happy Independence Day. Independence Day is an occasion where we all Indian feel proud. We are proud to be Indians, we are proud to be Bharatiya, and the festival is being celebrated throughout India. 2020 and 21 were time testing, and still we are going through difficult time. I hope very soon we will come out of this difficulty and we will start living normal. The epidemic hit and schools got shut, but the online classes taken up by the teachers helped children to continue their academics. All the people were at home, all the offices started being executed from home. There was a time where everything was locked and the hopes were going down. Slowly, because of the efforts of the common people only, now we are coming towards normal. And I hope the time is soon going to come where all the schools will get open, all the markets will get open, economy will come on track and everything will be fine. Let us hope for the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Today, the students have decided to give the audience something to remember for rest of their life, something that will bring smile to their faces and help them go home with a flood of feelings, a river of patriotism coursing through their veins and their hands on their beating hearts. We Indians have a long and illustrious history of dance and music. Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Satriya, Assam, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, Chhau, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Gaudiya Nritya, Ghumar, Rajasthan and others are examples of classical or semi-classical dance. We should consider ourselves fortunate that we are able to showcase our country's culture, glory through their events, and top of that, we have children performing dance performances that represent Indians' art forms. Thank you.
सुर्खी नदियां मर्दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले, बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के।
நம் இருவரின் சுரமும் நமதாகும். திசை வேறானாலும் ஆழிசை ஆறுகள் முகிலாய் மழையாய் பொழிவது போல்
స్వర సరితలు కులుకుతూ సొంపుగా కడలిలోకే చేరగా మబ్బులై పైకి తేలి కురిసే చల్లగా నీ స్వరము నా స్వరము మన స్వరమై మ్రోగెనులే నీ స్వరము నా స్వరము మన స్వరమై మ్రోగెనులే
तेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर देना मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल
सुरदा वगदा दरिया सागर बिच मिले बदला दा रूप लेके बरसे हाले हाले
সুরের নদী নীরবধি এসে মেশে সাগরে
বর্ষার রূপে অপরূপে
ঝিরি 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 বর্ষে
তোমার সুর।
At the end of the program, I would like to call our respected Supriya ma'am for vote of thanks.
Bharat everyone, today we all are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. I would like to thank the director of MDN Future School Roha, Mr. Sandeep Ji Tatkare, our respected principal ma'am, Miss Anjula Ratin, admin head Devendra sir, teachers, students and dear parents. I feel proud to propose the vote of thanks on the behalf of MDN Future School Roha. It has been a great day and we have had beautiful performances by the students who all have organized and make this day very special. I want to thank our respected principal ma'am and all the teachers who have put a lot of efforts to make this day, to make the celebration a success. I feel proud to be the citizen of India and feel responsible to celebrate such glorious day. I thank every one of you for making this celebration a success. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.